That's it. Just mommy, daddy, and me, okay? No hati. Lady. Ada kabar? Apa? Lini kedua now.
Daddy, Nini got a watermelon.
Orang Thai. You're orang Thai, Bang, ya?
Did you hear what she said?
Hi, orang Thai.
Hi. You happy, Lini? Lini. Lini. Boo. Hi. Ready, steady.
Friends coming.
Hi guys, welcome back sa channel natin. It's good to be back into the thing that I love doing, which is vlogging. Kasi I have been away for over a week, and the reason being is that stress si mami you guys, and I just stayed away from my camera and you know, the vlogging thing. So as you all know, Celine went to childcare and all that, and it was not an easy transition for both of us. And then nagkaroon si mami niyo ng singaw, and you know, singaw, the reason is yung stress. So hindi lang isa kundi dalawa dito sa dila ko guys, left and right. Yes, baba. And sobrang sakit. Do you wanna say hi everyone?
Hi everyone.
Welcome back.
Canon.
Very sweaty, Monica.
The charge.
The charge. What happened to the charge? Do you want Mama to fix?
No.
No. Okay. So anyways, nagkaroon si mami yun ng singaw guys, at sobrang laki nila. Napakasakit magsalita. It came to a point na hindi ako makakain. Like, I starved myself kasi every time na kumakain ako or naanuhan siya ng tubig or anything pumapasok sa bibig ko guys, sobrang sakit niya na umiiyak ako dahil sa sakit. So now the left one has gotten better, the right one is still there guys, but I think it's road to getting better. Masakit pa rin siyang magsalita but hindi na siya kasing sakit like in the past few days. So that's why naisipan ko, kasi kanina lumabas kami ni Daddy Mike tsaka ni Baby Celine after dropping at the Paris sa school. Kumain kami, we had actually coffee outside. So sabi ko, yeah, you know, I really want to vlog. So here I am now.
Here I am.
Yeah. What were you trying to say?
Here I am.
Here I am. Here I am. Sobrang sakit niya guys. And I have been using this gel. Yan, sobrang dami ko nang nagamit. SM30, oh god, 33 gel. So ito ang aking gamit. Ayan. So it helped na before ako makain, nilalagay ko yan para mag-numb siya. And then makakakain ako. Yeah. Anyways, I'm very happy I'm back. Are you happy I'm back? We're back? Yeah? Alam niyo ba, sleepy to siya kasi nap time na, di ba na? Happy nap?
No.
No. Mama's cooking rice. We're gonna eat. And then we'll go pick up Ate Paris from school. Gusto na talaga nitong matulog. Very sulky na rin. Anyway, so after natin pick upin si Ate Paris, pupunta tayo ng post office. Kasi we have something to post here. Nilagay ko na sa bubble wrap. Heart bubble wrap. Sobrang cute niya. Ayan. So I sold one thing from eBay. And it's my Hermes bangle. Ayan yung kanyang receipt. So, may nag-send ng offer, guys. Sabi ko, Daddy, may shall I sell? And then, ayun na naman ako sa problema ko, guys, na shall I sell or not sell? And this is the Click H.
Mommy.
Bangle in rose gold. Ayan siya. Hindi siya mag-focus, guys. Ayan. It looks beautiful and it's in my size and it's my favorite color. However, hindi ko naman siya ginagamit. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, just let go of it. So, that's why punta tayo ng post office. Although, alam niyo ba, that's one thing na nakapag-stress din sa akin, no? Sobrang daming nangyari in the past week na hindi ako nag-vlog. So, I'm happy na nag-relax muna ako from vlogging. So, palagi ko namang mini-mention na I sell things sa eBay, right? So, nagkaroon ako ng problema. If you remember, pinakita ko dito din. Dito, pinakita ko sa inyo nung nabenta ko yung Fendi na shoulder bag ko. And, diba, sobrang happy ako nun kasi, nabenta ko na. And although, I really love that bag and I wanted to keep it. At tapos yung bestie ko sabi niya, just sell it. So, I sold it. And I was like, the owner will be really, really happy with this bag because the condition was so good. Napakaganda ng bag. Kaya nga gusto ko siyang, I was tempted to keep it myself. But,
no, Mommy. I don't keep it. You keep it.
I keep it. I sold it already. I can't keep it anymore.
You keep it.
Okay, don't keep it. Yung mga bags, mga luxury handbags, they're all under eBay's Authenticity Guarantee Program. So, it means na pag nabenta ko sila, I don't post it to the buyer. So, it goes through the warehouse in eBay kung saan nandoon yung kanilang mga inspector, mga authenticator, and everyone else na sa team nila. That's not lipstick, my love. That's for Mama's lashes. Sila na yung nagpo-post ng item papuntang customer kapag natapos nilang i-check yung condition, kung reflect ba yung ad ko sa condition ng bag, and also the authenticity of the bag. So, it went through all that process. Nakatanggap ako ng message na it's been authenticated and it's now on its way to the buyer. As soon as the customer received it, nag-message siya sa akin, sabi niya na I don't believe it's an original Fendi handbag. And then, sabi ko, it went through all the process, you know, the eBay authenticator and all that. They had to make sure that it's authentic before it gets sent to you. And alam niyo ba, guys, like, she was not very nice at all. Sinabihan niya akong scammer ako, sabi niya, kasi I sold a fake handbag to her. Which clearly, hindi. Like, it's been through, as mentioned, it's been through eBay's authenticator. And, you know, they check everything and all that before sending sa customer. And I don't know, she said like because the condition was like good, parang hindi siya makapaniwala na urig daw. Then sabi niya na may pa card pa daw ako na thank you for purchasing, like supporting my small business. Obviously it's a small business, right? Because like, you know, it's my thing. It's just like, you know, that just like shows that you're a scammer. And I really didn't get it, guys, like what she was talking about. And you know me, because I care, right? Like parang naaano ako na naapektuhan ako. But then again, I'm not guilty. So sabi niya na i-report daw niya sa eBay and all that, and in my head I was like, please do so. Kasi I'm not scared at all, you know? Like eBay did their thing and it was authenticated by them. So I've got no issues at all. So ayun, nag-open siya ng return case. And eBay sent me an email saying that we will deal with this and just give us time, yes, Baba, until the 19th of February. Like listing my stuff on eBay because of this authenticity guarantee program. So it means I'm covered. Kasi may mga dodgy customers, you know, that when they receive the bag and it's like, oh no, it's not authentic, and they try to get it like for free or maybe get some more discount and all that stuff, you know. So I'm just waiting for the result now kasi they're holding the funds. So hindi nila i-release yung funds until ma-fix nila ito. And yeah, I'm hoping that it'll get fixed soon. What's the date now? 15th. This one is very sleepy ba? Ayaw matulog. So yeah, that one thing na nakapag-stress din sa akin. Oh, you're not sleepy, are you? Oh, well, siya tita and tito. So yesterday was Valentine's Day and Paris made this. Siya tita and tito na. Wow, who gave that? Mommy and Daddy.
Daddy.
Ati. I love you to pieces. Six black boomers. Black boomers. Lini is peeling her egg. Nom 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 nom. Kiss mo. Oh, love you. Love you, my baby girl.
The coffee is hot.
Coffee is hot, yes. So, nagluto ako ng ulam, guys. Naalala ko na last night, bumili ako ng roast chicken. Tapos, may naiwan pa konti. Konti lang naman. Tingnan nyo. So, yung gagawin ko, the rescue ang aking dato puti suka at saka silver soy sauce. Ay, gagawin ko lang siyang paksiw. Diba? Sarap na yan. Daog na ang panood to ni Mami. Ang kita yellow off. Yeah. Hi. Wow. Come. Look what she's got. Swerte naman tong batang to eh. Kasi naging kaibigan na namin tong post office dito, guys. Tignan nyo. Look how much that is lang.
4.
On the plastic. 4? Yeah. And they give it for Paris. For free. Woo, sana all. Is that like... Oh, you can put your coins in it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And my money.
Show me, babe. That's actually very cute. Pink. Nakauwi na kami. And alam niyo ba, tulog pa rin ang ating baby Celine. Anong oras na ba? 4 o'clock na ba ngayon? Ay, hindi 4 o'clock kasi pumunta kami ng post office eh. Tulog pa rin. So, Ate Paris will just do... What are you doing? So, kailangan ito ipasa bukas. You have to read it first, honey.
Santa sings a song. Santa the ant sings a song. He sings for Dan in the van. He sings for the kids band. Santa sings for all the mob is the good.
What is it? The mob.
The mob is it a good job. Santa sings as he looks at the book he sings. As he cooks. He sings as he zooms into the room. Santa sings in the pool, too. Wait, can ants swim? Just look at him. And guys, did you know I love this. Do you know why? Because like it has a little sharpener. Oh wait, it has a rubber on the front. And it has a eraser on the back. I mean, sharpener on the back. And it's been a Mommy, don't
Hi, Ati.
Amy now. Hi guys, we're picking up Anya now. Do you know why Amy's not picking up her? Because Irene broke her arm yet on Tuesday, and also she had to go to the hospital, and she's at the hospital now. So Amy told us to go pick up Anya. So we'll see when we pick up Anya.
Dito na kami ngayon sa school ni Baby Celine. So gaya na sabi ni Ate Paris guys, yung friend niya na si Irene, she broke her arm, and nung Tuesday pa yon, pero today daw ay medyo swollen daw yung kanyang kamay. So, my sister si Irene, na si Anya, na pumupunta din dito sa childcare ni Baby Celine. Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. Tumawag si Amy sa akin. She's asking a favor na pick upin na namin sa Anya kasi hindi daw kinaya ng time nila. Punta rin.
There was a little turtle with...
We got Anya now. Say hi, Anya.
Hello. You're coming with us.
Very excited ang mga kids. Ay, come on. Let's go.
Oh, where's your hat?
Auntie will open it. Okay.
Mommy, you're not auntie.
Let's go home. Look at that turtle. Go na. Let's go home.
That's a little bit.
Then yung hawak kamay silang dalawa. So, pupunta sana ako ng shops para bumili ng something for dinner. So, ngayon, mahihirapan naman ako pumunta ng shops. Dala tong 3 bata. Naku, Lord! Diyos ko, Lord! Panganak pa more. So, iuwi ko muna itong 3 and I can play at home kasi daddy's working from home naman today. And then I can quickly drive to the shops and grab something. I think that's a good idea. Kesa naman... Ayan, bitbitin ko itong tatlo. Ah, what a disaster. Hi, baby girl. What have you got there?
Piggy.
Baby pig.
Hurry on. I want to go. What? Hi. Hi.
Did you make that today, Anya? Your
like
necklace?
I like it.
Yeah, it's
Actually,
pretty
I like
cool.
it a lot. I like it.
Tingnan nyo kung nasan ako, guys. Sa labas ng Domino's. Order tayo ng pizza. Iniwan ko yung mga girls. Nanonood sila ng TV. Ano naman si Daddy Mike? It's okay. Oh, it smells so good here. Eh, yan yun. Kasi may Indian brothers. Subway. Domino's.
Oh, yeah, that's my shop Monday, Tuesday.
Oh. I hope it's not very busy. I got the pizzas now, guys. So it's now 6 o'clock. At alam niyo ba? So Amy just called me. Sabi nila na dumating na daw sila sa bahay. And they're just going to pick up Anya. So sadly, hindi na makakain sa Anya ng pizza na binili ko. Kasi dapat sana yung plano is we'll have salmon tonight. But since hindi ako nakaalis kanina kasi may mga bata ka, tapos magluluto pa, no? Sabi ko, we'll just get an easy one, which is the pizza, and then umalis lang din naman pala. But it's okay. We'll just have pizza tonight kasi di ba we always have pizza night during Friday night. So it means bukas, Friday, hindi kami magpipizza kasi we're having pizza tonight. So I've got the Hawaiian pizza with the Dutch pancakes on the side. And then we have the margaritas for the kids. And garlic bread and some chicken bites.
How much sleep? I do weather. I do tutu.
Ate Chuchu. Tingnan niyo, matutulog siya, guys. Naka-dress. Our Ate Paris is now sleeping. Very tired now. This one, kasi late siya nag-nap kanina. Okay, we'll turn the light off now. So we'll turn the light off now, guys. We'll end the vlog here now.
Mom.
We'll say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, say be careful.
Be careful.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Mwah.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.